How to stop being broke. 7 smart money habits. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, you're in the right place. I'm breaking down 7 smart money habits that will help you stop being broke. And trust me, habit 7 is a total game changer. Habit 1. Track your money like a CEO. Why? If you don't know where your money is going, you'll always feel broke. Smart tip. Use a budgeting app like Mint or Money Tracker to track every expense. Biggest mistake. Ignoring small daily expenses. They add up fast. Habit 2. Pay yourself first, always. Why? If you don't save first, you'll never save at all. Smart tip. Automate a 10% savings transfer every payday. Biggest mistake. Saving whatever is left after spending. It's never enough. Habit 3. Stop wasting money on dumb stuff. Why? Small leaks sink big ships. Unnecessary spending is keeping you broke. Smart tip. Cut one unnecessary expense today. Unused subscriptions, impulse shopping. Biggest mistake. Trying to cut everything at once. It's not sustainable. Habit 4. Make more money. Your paycheck isn't enough. Why? You can only save so much, but your income potential is unlimited. Smart tip. Start a side hustle, freelancing, reselling, digital products. Biggest mistake. Relying on one paycheck. It's too risky. Habit 5. Get rid of bad debt, fast. Why? Credit card debt is stealing your future wealth. Smart tip. Use the snowball method. Pay off the smallest debt first for quick wins. Biggest mistake. Only paying the minimum. Interest will keep you broke forever. Habit 6. Invest and make your money work for you. Why? Saving alone won't make you rich. Investing will. Smart tip. Start with index funds, real estate, or a retirement account. Even $10 is enough. Biggest mistake. Thinking you need thousands to invest. Start small and stay consistent. Habit 7. Think like a rich person. Why? Your mindset controls your financial success. Smart tip. Read The Psychology of Money and listen to finance podcasts. Biggest mistake. Thinking, I'll always be broke. Your beliefs shape your reality. Bonus tip. The 24-hour rule. Why? Impulse spending is a broke person's habit. Smart tip. Wait 24 hours before making any non-essential purchase. Which of these habits are you starting today? Drop a comment below. Every click brings us closer. Subscribe for more stories.